Hey friend, welcome to Beyond Organised. I'm your host Mel Schenker, life coach, founder of She's Organised, but more importantly, a wife and mum of 4 little kids. Here's the thing, organising your life is just the beginning. This podcast isn't just about tidying up your home or creating the perfect schedule. It's about helping you build an intentional life, one filled with balance, joy, and purpose. I know you're juggling a lot between contributing to the household physically, financially, emotionally, managing family life, and everything in between. It can feel like there's never enough time, energy, or space to breathe. But balance isn't about doing more. It's about carrying less. Each week, I'll be sharing mindset shifts, practical strategies, and real-life stories to help you take back control and live proactively. Because life isn't meant to feel like one never-ending to-do list. Whether you're navigating motherhood, balancing work and home, or just craving more structure and intention, this podcast is for you. With over 12 years of experience and my own journey from overwhelmed mum to organised entrepreneur, I'll be covering productivity, work-life balance, parenting, marriage, faith, and so much more. And hey, if you have a question you'd love answered on the podcast, head over to beyondorganised.com/podcast and send it my way. So if you're ready to simplify your life and step into more clarity, calm, and confidence, hit follow and join me for the very first episode of Beyond Organised, launching April 28, 2025. See you then.